Hello and a pleasant day, everyone. Congratulations and thank you for being part of another worthwhile learning resource endeavor of our division. I am Brian Areo, your fellow LR steward who will embark with you in this journey. At this point, allow me to walk you through the development and quality assurance process flow. Flashed on your screen is a diagram that encapsulates the nitty-gritty of what is going to transpire in this endeavor. First, let me invite your attention to the blue broken lines, the lines that distinguish the three major phases, namely the development phase, the column with the blue boxes, and then the next column is the quality assurance phase, the one with the green boxes and red rhombuses, and finally the last column with the yellow box representing the distribution phase. You will also notice the orange boxes containing indicative dates. Now, after all the needs analysis and careful management planning, our starting point is the development of the LAS, which is scheduled on Feb 16 to 19. And then from there, these outputs will be forwarded to the QA team for evaluation. The QA team will then have this decision checkpoint to determine if the LAS has met the standards. It would simply be a binary yes or no decision point. If the answer is yes, then the LAS could directly forward to the final revision. But if the answer is no, then it would undergo a cyclical or reiterative process of revisions. That would explain the terms version 1, 2, or 3. The assigning of the version number of the last output during that phase or during that process will be within the coordination of the development and QA teams, for as long as we unify our mindset that the final version will carry in its file name version 4. The timeline for this reiterative process will be Feb 20 to 24, and this timeline is flexible, dependent on the decision of the QA team. Either of the decision points will bring the materials to the final review and final revision, which is set to be not later than Feb 25. Then all materials should have passed already the final point of the QA process and should be ready for distribution phase. Our platforms for distribution are the LR Link Surigao del Sur, our division LR microsite, and the 35 district LR microsites. And that distribution will happen on Feb 26. That would be all. I hope I was able to come across with the salient points of the overall process flow. Thank you for your commitment para sa bata.